हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू चार्ट ऑफ द डे। माई सेल्फ राहिम आसुम रजा फ्रॉम ट्रेडर स्मिथ इंडिया। सो आज के चार्ट ऑफ द डे के लिए मैंने सेलेक्ट किया दो स्टॉक। वन इज न्यूजन सॉफ्टवेयर टेक्नोलॉजी एंड द सेकेंड वन इज जनरल इंश्योरेंस कॉर्पोरेशन ऑफ इंडिया। सो लेट्स सी हाउ these two stocks appears on the chart. So this is the daily chart of NEWGEN software, and as we can see on the chart that index has actually broken out here on 17th of December, and after that it is actually rising towards upside. Though the market is volatile, but the stock is actually doing good. And आज के trading session में also it has extended higher with higher top and higher bottom formation on the daily chart with above average volume. If you look at its APS strength, then it is 92 and its buy demand is A, which is good. And if you look at its number of shares held by the fund, that has increased to 3.98, and the number of funds has increased to 17.65. And the second stock is GICRE. So this stock has also given the breakout on 16th of December, we can say. And then the stock is actually tried to move in the sideways for 2 to 3 days, but आज के trading में stock has gained actually 13% and also with higher volume. यहाँ पर देख सकते हैं, this is the volume chart with above average volume. And if you look at its APS strength, then it is 89 and the buyer demand is A plus. That is actually good. Though its number of funds has decreased by 3.85%, but the shares held by fund is increased by 25.83%. That is actually good. So आज के चार्ट ऑफ द डे के लिए इतना ही। मिलते हैं हम लोग नेक्स्ट डे विथ अनदर स्टॉक्स एंड अनदर चार्ट। सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो।